Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox Envy's SHEILA in the new color Platinum Shadow. Now I'm wearing my Micki in Platinum Shadow. I've already reviewed this color, but I've never reviewed this style. So I wanted to try it in a different style. I really like this color. I purchased this with my own funds from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over there, check it out there. You know, Envy came out with 12 new shades this spring, and I thought that was awesome. So I was excited when they had this Platinum Shadow. I like Micki. It has a lot of body here, as you can see. I have a full review on my channel of this already, and it's just such a fun little style, but I wanted something a little more sleek, so I ordered SHEILA, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started and have a look at Envy SHEILA and Platinum Shadow. Okay, let's unbox it. Comes in this Envy box, of course. Oh, okay. It has this in it. Let's look at this. This is cute. Just a little one of those little caps, like a terry cloth. That's nice that they included that in here. Also, there is live your hair to its fullest. It is a little catalog that has, wow, all their Envy styles, I guess, in it. That's really neat. I like that. Okay, let's see. It's in a hairnet. Oh, and it also has that Envy in the bottom here. That card, they include that take care card. I love that about Envy, that they have this card. It tells you how to take care of this hair, how to detangle it, how to rinse it, how to condition it. That is a nice, I think, addition, especially if you're a new wig wearer. Okay. Now, I already know I love Platinum Shadow. And yes, this is more of a sleek style. Let me shake it up a little here for you. You know, Envy describes Platinum Shadow as a cool-toned light blonde with brown roots, and I think that is a perfect description for it. All right, let's see the inside of the cap. Basic cap. Open wefted. It has open ear tabs here. It has the pull adjusters and an open extended nape. Lots of stretch here, so we'll see how that fits. But yeah, basic cap construction, no lace front, no mono features, anything like that. And I think this comes in maybe 36 or 37 different shades, this SHEILA wig. All right, let's try it on. Okay, let's give it a good shake, like we always do. Okay, this fits good. I don't have to make any adjustment at all. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and this fits fine. Okay, short style. Have a little bob. I'm going to work this part a little bit. As you can see, I just work my wide tooth comb down through there, both back and forth. It loosens up the fibers. Very sleek. Okay, this is a great everyday wig. I can tell you that already. A nice one just to reach for every day. I'm going to run some water through it like I always do. You know, that's just my process. I like that. I think it kind of gives me an idea of what I'm working with here. Wow, Platinum Shadow. I think it's such a pretty color. I really, really like it. Oh wow, this really is a really nice, I would say if you're new to wigs and you're looking for something that's easy to throw on and go, this could be just right up your alley. Now permatease, yes, there is some permatease in here. Yep, all through here. I'm feeling it here. Let's see. There's some at the nape, not an overabundance at the nape, but there is some there. And I can see, you know, like I said, you saw me, I had Micki on earlier when the video started. And the rooting there doesn't seem as much because it's, you know, very spiky and all here. So I think you'll get a better look at the rooting on this one, on this more sleek style. Yeah, let's see the coverage. There's my bow hair there and here. Ear tab right here, the top of my ear. Now it has a 4.5 inch bang on SHEILA. The crown is 7.5 on this one. The sides are 4.75. The nape is 4, and it's light, 3.1 ounces. Perfect everyday wig, has a great price point on this. Remember, you don't have to break the bank to have a cute, fun style. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that short video on Envy, SHEILA, and Platinum Shadow. This is fun. Like I said, this does not break the bank. This is a nice everyday wig. If you're new to wigs, you might have a look at this style. Like I said, it's offered in a variety of colors, so there's something for everyone. This is fun. I will be reaching for this all summer. Nice, cute style. Okay guys, thanks for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time and have a great day.